So guys, welcome back on Finance Insights. Today we're gonna see how to open a live trading account in less than 3 minutes. This is something that some people are not still able to do it, but it's very easy. So let's see how to do it. At first we have to choose which broker we want to use to start trading. In this video, I'm gonna use FPmarkets. That is the broker I use, and in my opinion, this is the best broker, so I recommend you it. So let's go on the website of FPmarkets. Check the bio to find the link to sign up. This is the homepage of FPmarkets. Let's select Open Live. Here we can choose to sign up with our informations, or to sign up with Google. Sign up with Google is of course the fastest way. In the second page, we have to give some more informations about us. Our annual income and all the classic information required by a broker or by a bank, by all this kind of websites. When our account is done and we can log in inside. This is the home page inside FPmarkets. Here you can see the button Add Live Account. We click on it. Now we have to select on which platform we want to trade. In fact, you have to remember that if we select MetaTrader 4, with this account we can use only MetaTrader 4. We select which currency we want to use, the type of the account, a raw or a standard account, the leverage. In this broker, the leverage is up to 500, so we can select how high we want the leverage. And the trading account password. The trading account password is the password that we'll use to log in by the application. So this is a password that, of course, you have to remember. We accept the terms and conditions. And that's it. As you can see, we have the account number on the right. The status of the account is active. The platform where we can use this account. All you have to do now is to fund the account. So to deposit money and to log in inside the application of MetaTrader 4 with this account number as username and the password you set before as password. This is how to open a real trading account. As you can see, it's very easy. I hope everything is clear. If you enjoy the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And guys, follow us for more finance videos. See ya!